Hi beauties, and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Manders. If you've been here before, welcome back, and if it's your first time, welcome. Please hit the subscribe button if you like this type of video, and make sure you ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on my future videos. So I am Manders, and today we are opening my IPSY for May 2019. I don't know why I got this. It was a mistake on my part. I have decided that I'm going to get next month's as well, and I'm going to make my final decision on whether or not it's worth it for me. The reason for saying that is IPSY in Canada is a little bit more. I know it's $10 in the States, but it works out to almost $26 for me here, so it's just kind of, I don't know if it's worth it, and I don't know if I'm going to continue with it. Let me down below what you think of these products. Have you tried them before? Are they any good? So every month it comes with a bag. That's actually my favorite part about IPSY, the bag. So this one's really cute. It's really sparkly. The glitter is not coming off on my hands, which makes me really, really happy. And the first thing that came in it is this brush. So I was able, this is by Farah, and it's a double-sided brush. It actually looks really nice, so I'm excited. My favorite part of IPSY is you almost always get a brush. So that's that. It must not fit in the bag. That's why it was on the outside. So I'm going to open it up, and we're going to see what else I got, and we're going to see, is it worth it, and am I going to do this again? Every month they do give you a card that gives you your products. I'm not going to look at it now because I want to be surprised. Now I did see a spoiler, so I have an idea, but I can't really remember. So first thing I'm pulling out, this is by, let's see, Oriza Beauty. I've never heard of this before. So this says that it is a nude shimmer and contour palette. So it looks like a little tiny eyeshadow palette. Oh my gosh. It shows 4 colors on the back. It can't have 4 colors in it. If it has 4 colors in it, this is the world's smallest eyeshadow palette. So let's just see. Holy smokes. It is an eyeshadow palette. Look at how small it is. That's so cool. So it has 1 matte shade and 3 shimmers. Kind of excited now. All right, so this is one that's really pretty. Awesome. What? Shut the front door. No way, man. It's the second shade. That's super nice. And then there's this golden bronzy shade right here. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of excited now. Yeah, listen to me go on for 2 minutes about why I don't want IPSY anymore, and then be like, oh, I'm so excited. Okay, so then this is the matte brown, which I'm gonna say is probably the same color of brown that I use for all my eyeshadow, and I'm pretty excited about it. So I will most definitely be putting this to the test. You will see that in a future video. I'm really excited that this might be the world's smallest eyeshadow quad. So let's see what else we got. Maybe I will be excited. Wah, wah. Okay, I have got this product before. This is by IPSY. I think that's how you say it. This is the Veil Primer. It says it's a primer. I don't think it is. I think it's supposed to be like a moisturizer. It is going to go in a giveaway. I have already got this, and I'm not sure how I feel about it yet. Watch out for that. So I'm definitely going to keep that sealed, and this is going to go in a future giveaway pile. So I'll put that over there. And then next up, ooh, a lip balm. That's not very exciting. It's hemp infused mint flavor. It's Preventative Measures 101. So I have never heard of this brand. Let's just see. I'll give it a try. I'm going to open it up. All right, so it smells nice and minty. And it feels nice. Lip balm is lip balm. I really don't have a lot of preference for it. It usually works out for me. So I'll put all this stuff aside. You guys will get to find out how that was. All right, and the last thing is a hand cream. So this is by La Chatelaine. It's pretty small. Okay, this is my rant. This is the most exciting thing I got in this IPSY bag. This little teeny tiny eyeshadow quad. So What do you think? Is it worth it? Now, with that being said, I do know that this is a last minute IPSY. For some reason it processed like a week ago. I'm not really sure what happened. So I do know that that's kind of my fault. So I am going to let it go for one more month. However, this is not, under any circumstances, worth what I'm paying for. I'm paying over $20 and I got a brush, a lip balm, this crappy primer that I don't even like, a hand cream, and the world's funniest little eyeshadow quad. So to me, this is just not worth it. But with that being said, I'm gonna be what I always am, and I'm gonna do it again. So we will just have to wait and see what next month's IPSY brings me. If it does not wow me, I will not be repurchasing it ever again. Some people love their IPSY, and I think it's honestly, I don't know what it is. I honestly don't know what it is. Please leave me a comment down below. Are you the same as me? Do you find that it's not worth the money? Because I don't think that this is worth $20 Canadian at all. And I know that if you're in the States, you're paying $10. You don't pay for shipping. I do know that I have to pay more, but I have got other IPSYs that are better. The bag is still the most exciting part to this for me, so we'll just have to wait and see what June brings. But without me ranting and raving about things I don't like anymore, I'm going to wrap this video up. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. I'm so excited you're here today. Make sure you check out my giveaway video. It's coming up. We're definitely doing that. That was for 100 subscribers. Now we're over 300, so I'm just so excited. I love when you guys hang out with me, and I cannot wait to see you again. I will see you later, guys. Thank you for hanging out, and bye.